Millions of gallons of vegetable oil and shortening are used every year in homes throughout the United States to cook chicken, French fries, and other food products. People simply enjoy the marvelous flavors added to foods through home frying. Our diet includes the familiar 4 basic food groups: fruits and vegetables, dairy products, meats and poultry, and grains. But beyond the basic 4, another group is now recognized, and it includes fats and oils, which contribute to our overall nutrition by offering a rich source of energy. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, vegetable oils provide essential fatty acids and certain vitamins, and fats and oils contribute a pleasing taste to some foods, along with a certain feeling of satisfaction after eating. There are, however, a few important things to remember about cooking and using vegetable oils and shortening. Above all, safe and correct cooking requires your full attention.
Mom! Hey, Billy! Look at the new uniform Coach just got.
You look terrific.
Can you come outside and take a picture of Jimmy and me in our new uniform?
Well, I don't know. I can't think about it right this second. Billy, would you get me a frying pan out of the cupboard, please?
Okay. How about this one?
Oh, no, not that one. It's too big. The 10-inch one, the small one.
Thank you. Jimmy's waiting. What are we having for dinner?
Chicken.
Great. Mom, please. It'll only take a second.
Listen, Billy, I just can't stop now.
Aw, please, Mom.
Look, why don't you find out if Jimmy can come back later, okay? If not, ask me again after dinner. Now go on outside. I'll call you in a few minutes when dinner's ready. Don't get your uniform dirty, all right?
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, Mary.
Hi, Mother. How's everything?
Dinner time?
Yes, it is nearly dinner time. I'm just getting it ready now.
What's on the menu?
Chicken. Fried chicken, corn on the cob, and salad. Just the way you cook it.
Sounds good.
How's Dad?
He's doing real well. He's outside now.
I'm glad to hear he's feeling better.
How are Billy and George?
Billy and George are just fine. In fact, George should be home in about half an hour now.
Are we going to see you this weekend?
I don't really know if we can make it over this weekend or not, Mom.
Mom! Jimmy and his mom want to take the pictures now. Besides, I want to send one to Grandma. It won't take a second.
Billy, I'm busy.
Mom!
Mom, can you hold on a second?
Let's go.
I have got to take a picture of Billy and a neighbor boy in their new baseball uniforms. I'll be right back.
All right.
Let's go.
Oh, hi, Mary. I'm awfully sorry Billy had to drag you out here. I'm just not going to be back this way again today.
It's no problem.
Okay.
All right, boys, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Boy, Jimmy's gotten a lot taller.
Gosh, so is Billy.
Oh, let's see how this comes out.
Gee, they look so tall in their uniforms, don't they?
They do.
Hello? Hello, Mary? I'm still here, Mary.
Look at that silly grin on Billy's face. They look cute.
That's really neat.
Mary, I haven't got all day. Mary, are you there?
Maybe we better take another one anyway.
Yeah, that
Let's
might not
do
be a
that.
bad idea.
Grandma want to see his big blue eyes. Oh, they are.
Oh, I'm glad you could bring them home today. I have been so busy.
Why do people have fires in their kitchen? Because they just don't give cooking their full attention. Let's take a closer look at what just happened. How did we go from a routine dinner to a fire that could cause extensive damage? Mary was in a hurry, so she set her stove's cooking temperature too high.
Come on, let's go, come on!
She was distracted, so she left her cooking unattended.
Okay, boys, get ready. Hold it.
Had she been in the room or in the vicinity of her stove, she would have noticed the obvious warning sign of potential trouble: smoke. Vegetable oil will smoke long before it burns. Had Mary noticed the smoke, she could have reduced the heat under the oil in time to avoid the fire. To emphasize these conclusions, let's recreate Mary's situation, but this time under controlled laboratory conditions.
I'm going to pour 2 cups of oil in this measuring cup. Place the oil in this 10-inch skillet. The 10-inch skillet is equipped with a pyrometer, which is a device to measure temperatures of the oil while it's heating, and it's recorded on this instrument. This is the timer, which will show us how long it takes to heat the oil to fire point.
We'll investigate 3 different situations. First, we'll use a gas flame set to high heat, allowing the first pan of oil to heat continuously for several minutes. In this presentation, we'll compress time through the use of time-lapse photography. For reference, keep your eyes on the digital thermometer and the clock. After 10 to 15 minutes, the oil begins to smoke lightly and a fairly strong odor can be detected. These are clear and unavoidable early warning signals. An alert, safety-minded homemaker would reduce the heat immediately, eliminating the danger of fire. We expect the fire point for oil to occur at a temperature around 690 degrees Fahrenheit. Under typical kitchen conditions, 2 cups of oil heating in a 10-inch skillet on high setting can be expected to flame after a total elapsed time of approximately 30 minutes. Now let's change one of the variables of our experiment. What will happen if we use an electric heating element rather than gas? You'll notice that at normal cooking temperature, the oil is not smoking. Again, smoke appeared between 10 and 15 minutes when the burner was left on high. The smoke gets heavier and the smell stronger. The electric burner took a minute less to reach fire point this time, but the difference is not significant. This time, the temperature reads 700 degrees and 28 minutes has elapsed. How about using shortening instead of oil? Although the shortening must melt, the temperature rises rapidly over a gas flame. At normal cooking temperature, there is no smoke. On this trial, smoke began after only 6 minutes at just over 400 degrees. Again, with shortening, the smoke thickened as temperature rose and time passed. Fire point, 711 degrees after 24 minutes. We conclude that the basic results are similar for all of our tests. Oil or shortening, left unattended over a high heat source, begins to smoke after 10 to 15 minutes, and the oil catches fire only after another 15 to 20 minutes of increasingly thick smoke. How do we prevent oil and shortening fires from occurring? Very simply, never leave heating oil or shortening unattended. Take your time. Use a medium heat source. If the oil gets too hot, it will smoke, and the smoke is strong smelling and clearly visible. Turn the heat down or off if the oil smokes. Cooking can be fun and safe if we give the task our undivided attention. Remember, if we just follow the given warnings on the labels, we'll stay out of trouble. If you enjoy frying foods, remember it takes your full attention. Whether you're frying chicken or potatoes, cooking in a wok or in a deep fat fryer, when the smoke gives you the warning, reduce the heat and fry it safe.